Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, and welcome to another episode of the Trading Blog. If you are new, I am a Forex trader and trading coach over at TradeEmpower.com, and this is a video I like to do, really just continuing my, tradition of sharing my trading journey with you guys, as well as leaving you a lot of tips that can help you become a consistently profitable trader on the way. Now today we had a fantastic day in my live trading room. I could be prisoner of the moment, but it had to be the best session that we've had to date. A lot of great conversation, a lot of great training, and we made some money too. In fact, it was such a great day that I told the traders what you got today was a $2,000 lesson. So check your credit card statements because I'll be sending the bill through. I'm just kidding. I won't actually be charging them. Anyway, what I wanted to do is, because I couldn't share the entire session with you, correction, I could, I just decided not to because I don't feel like uploading 3 hours to YouTube. I decided to chop up today's session into 3 separate trading blogs. And today, we're gonna start off showing you guys a discussion, some recorded footage from today's live room, talking about my whole theory of, philosophy, reasoning, meaning, whatever you want to call it, for why I started the live trading room and why I feel like traders need a place where they can come and find support if they want to take the step to becoming a consistently profitable trader. We also talk about 4 questions that traders need to ask themselves before ever entering a trade. That's what kind of sparked the discussion. So check it out. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, leave me some feedback in the comment section below. And if you're interested in either some free training or some more educational services, make sure you visit our TradeEmpower.com website. That's www.tradeempower.com. Play around on there. There's like 5 hours of free workshops. There's a whole bunch of free training videos. And of course, there's a lot of educational services such as our live trading room, our syndicate program where we offer trial memberships. And for those of you who are really serious about taking your trading to the next level, there are training courses as well. So sit back and enjoy. But these are the 4 questions we want to ask ourselves whenever we look at a price chart. We want to ask ourselves, what is the market doing? What has the market done? That's one question. We want to ask ourselves, what is the market likely to do next and how is it likely to do it? That's question number 2. We then want to ask ourselves, okay, well, now that I know what the market has done and I've made a prediction on what the market is likely to do next and how it's likely to do it, how could I get involved? And then the last question, which I guess isn't really a question, the E part, all I can say about that is, do it. Do it. I need that on a little soundboard for all the, Akil, I just identified this trade and price action has hit the price level that I thought it was gonna go to, and I'm supposed to get long, but I just can't pull the trigger. What do I do? Do it. Do it. Do it. Akil, my trading plan says I'm supposed to get long now, but I just want your second opinion on it. What do you think I should do in this situation? What would you do? Do it. Do it. Do it. I'm the worst. I'm glad I'm a good coach because you guys would hate me if I wasn't. This is probably why the internet hates me so much, because we could have so much fun in here. But seriously, we joke about it, but that is one of the hardest parts. That is one of the hardest parts. Is it's being trigger happy, I guess, is one, but being trigger shy, if that's the word to do it, to put it that way. But I meet a lot of traders, including I had a transformation member that just reached out to me, where she feels confident in her analysis, in her ability to predict price action, in her ability to find good trading opportunities, but she said, I just can't pull the trigger. She says, Akil, I do all the work. I know I do all the work right. I follow my plan, but when it comes time to actually press that order, I just can't do it. And that's a real thing. And that is one of the benefits here in the live room. You know, we do a lot of education here. We have a lot of fun here. It gives you a community of traders to work with, a fantastic community of traders to work with. I think you guys are the best community of traders out there on the internet. But we started the live trading room as a form of support. It started as a form of support for our training course members. And what I mean by support is it gives you a place where you can feel comfortable, because it's a lot easier to do something when you have other people doing it. So where Tom may be sitting there like, oh man, I'm supposed to get long this dollar yen. But I can't pull the trigger, right? All the different thoughts are going through his head. Well, what if this is too late? What if my analysis is wrong? What if news is coming out? What if this? What if that? All the things in the world that is stopping Tom from pulling the trigger, they're gonna float through his head when it comes game time. That's just what happens. That's just what happens, right? All of the doubt comes flushing in last minute to scare you away. But when Tom is sitting in this live room, and when we're looking at a price chart, and when Tom sees me or maybe one of you guys typing in, when he sees that other traders are looking at the exact same thing that he is, what do you think that does to Tom's confidence? It gives it a boost. Tom's getting ready to walk into war by himself. He's getting ready to walk into the war, into the battle by himself. And he's scared. And then he feels that tap on the shoulder. And he looks to the left, he looks to the right, and guess what? He's got his team with him. And now Tom's feeling a little bit more confident. And when we execute the same trade here, and by we, I mean myself, I mean by anyone else that's trading the same type of setup, when we execute the trade in here, it allows Tom to execute the same trade as well. It allows him to get rid of those trading demons that are trying to stop him. And he pulls the trigger. And when he pulls the trigger, guess what he's doing? He's following the plan. And when he follows the plan, guess what happens? He doesn't sabotage himself, and he sets himself up on the path of getting good results and being an independent, consistently profitable trader. And it may not be this trade, it may not be the next trade, right? But we know it's process over outcome. And the more he develops that habit, the more confidence he gains. The more confidence he gains, the more likely Tom is able to execute the next orders without us as helping him. He can do it by himself. And he's broken through that obstacle. That's why we have the live room, guys. Support. More eyes on the market is good. A community of traders to talk with, right? Like-minded individuals to chat with on a daily basis is good. Education. I like to think you guys learned something. But it's to help you get past whatever obstacle you are at. And pulling the trigger is a big one. Pulling the trigger is a big one. And then it's cool because what happens is, a year down the road, we have a new trader in the live room. We have new traders every week. We have a new trader down the road who's going through the same thing. Tom shoots in the message, hey man, 6 months ago, I was just like you, and here's what I did. And now guess what happens to this new trader? He gains confidence because Tom is paying it forward. He's paying his niceness forward. And that's the difference between here and trading forums. Trading forums, they try to tear you down. Trading forums, Tom gets laughed at. Oh, guess you should have took it, Tom. Haha, why didn't you do that? We were all long. And it just make you feel worse. We try to empower you, make you feel better. With hopes that you will then empower someone else down the road. I mean, that's the whole reason I'm teaching. The whole reason I enjoy coaching and teaching is because someone took the time to teach me. And I was able to change my life because of it. And now it gives me joy to give back. Gives me joy to give back. Anyway, let's get out of our feelings, right? We talked about no feelings, hardcore, right? robotic. Yeah, it's emotional talk. All right, let's do some analysis. Let me answer some of these questions first. Brent asked a good one about do it. All right. Brent says, do you have a long or short-term perspective when holding your position? All right, traders. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our tradeempowered.com website or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.